In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ESPN app not working on your Android. Okay, so if you open up the ESPN app and you're having issues with your app, so what we can do in this, the first point of troubleshoot that you can do is go to your Play Store. Go to your Play Store. Okay, in the search bar, search for ESPN. Okay, type in ESPN, search for it, and then once you see ESPN here, tap on it and see if there is an update. If there is an update, just update your app, because updating your app can remove any bugs or any issues that you have with the app, and it can fix up your issue. Okay, and another way that you can try to fix this if you're having issue, because there could be some connection, network or internet issues. In that case, you can try to like refresh your network settings. What you can do, just swipe down from your top, and then from here, what we're going to do, turn on the flight mode. Okay, you have the flight mode here, right? Turn that on, leave it on for like 5 seconds, and then tap it again and turn it off. This would like refresh your network or connection settings, so it might refresh your internet, and then try accessing your ESPN now, and it should now actually work flawlessly without any issue. And that's basically pretty much it is.